Got 5 minutes? Let's talk about how you can start making $300 a day online, starting today. Whether you're completely new to making money online or just looking for an extra source of income, I'm going to walk you through one of the easiest, most effective methods to get started. We're talking about setting up your online store, whether through dropshipping, print on demand, or POD, or selling digital products. It doesn't matter if you're not a tech expert or don't have a huge budget. The steps I'm about to show you are beginner friendly, and all you need is a laptop and an idea. Ready to learn how you can build your own e-commerce store? Let's dive in. So how exactly can you make money online through e-commerce? There are a few key business models you can use. Let's quickly break them down. First up, print on demand. This is an excellent option if you're creative and want to sell custom designed products like t-shirts, mugs, or posters. The best part, you don't need to keep any inventory. Companies like Printify or Printful handle the production and shipping for you. You can create the designs, they handle the rest, and you keep the profit margin. Next, we have dropshipping. This model is similar in that you don't need to handle inventory or shipping, but the difference is that you're selling products directly from suppliers' warehouses. You promote the products on your store, and when someone makes a purchase, your supplier ships it straight to the customer. Your job is mainly focused on marketing, and platforms like AutoDS can help you streamline the whole process by automating much of the work. Lastly, we have digital products. This is a very high margin business model because once you create the product, like an ebook, online course, or digital artwork, you can sell it over and over again without needing to manage shipping or inventory. You're basically turning your knowledge or creativity into an asset that keeps generating money. With these models in mind, how do you decide which one to choose? It really comes down to a few key factors, starting with what you're passionate about. If you love design, then POD is a fantastic way to turn that passion into profit. If you're more into marketing, dropshipping might be the easiest way for you to get started. But even if you're unsure about your passion, think about what you know most about, or where you feel you can offer something different. Differentiation is key in a competitive market. For example, if you have specialized knowledge about a certain niche, you can turn that into a digital product that solves a problem or provides value to a specific audience. Another thing to consider is budget. Whether you're working with limited resources, dropshipping is often the easiest route because you don't need upfront capital for inventory. On the other hand, if you're willing to invest a bit more upfront and want more control over the product experience, POD or digital products may be a better option for you. The bottom line, choose a model that aligns with your skills, interests, and budget, while also offering room to differentiate and scale. That's how you'll maximize your chances for long-term success. Of all the business models, starting your own online store is one of the best ways to build a sustainable, scalable income online. An online store gives you full control over what you sell, how you market it, and ultimately, how big you can grow. The good news is that building an online store doesn't require coding skills or a huge upfront investment. In fact, you can get started with just a few simple steps. You can start any niche, and what we teach here applies to all niches, but I'm just going to talk about dropshipping specifically for this one. But regardless, the process and steps stay the same with any business model. The first step in setting up a dropshipping store is finding your niche. Your niche is the specific category of products you'll be selling, and finding the right one is crucial for success. You want to choose a niche that's not too broad, but also has demand to sustain sales. A great tool for this is AutoDS. AutoDS helps you discover trending profitable products and suppliers, so you're not wasting time on products that won't sell. Simply input some ideas or search terms, and it will give you insights into which items are hot in the market right now. They also have TikTok search that lets you see what ads people are making, and therefore does a market research of the products that you're looking for. And ultimately, that helps you narrow down a niche of your choice. Think about what people are actively buying, whether it's fitness equipment, kitchen gadgets, or trending tech accessories. Once you've narrowed down your niche, you can move forward with setting up your store and sourcing products that are proven to sell. Alright, now that you've found your niche, the next step is to create your online store. This process is easier than ever thanks to AI tools like BuildYourStore.ai. With BuildYourStore.ai, you can have a fully functional e-commerce store up and running in minutes. The AI takes care of everything, from picking a professional looking theme to organizing your product listings and even generating SEO-friendly descriptions. And here's an important tip. When choosing your store's domain, go with a .store domain. Major e-commerce players like MrBeast, Rihanna, and Cristiano Ronaldo use .store domains because they drive 87% more traffic and lower cost per conversion by 12%. A .store domain not only makes your store look more professional, but it also helps you stand out in a crowded online marketplace. You want your domain name to reflect your brand and make it easy for customers to find you, and a .store domain gives you that credibility from the start. It's a small investment that can have a huge impact on your store's visibility and sales potential. And you can actually get your domain on Build Your Store itself for free. Just sign up and get started. Once your store is set up and your products are listed, don't skip the crucial step of ordering samples. Ordering samples gives you a chance to see the quality of your products for yourself. And it also allows you to take unique, high-quality photos or videos for your store. Order from Amazon or wherever else if needed so you can get it quicker. While suppliers may provide stock images, using your own photos can help differentiate your store and build trust with your customers. High-quality product photos are often the difference between making a sale or losing a potential customer. If you can, take lifestyle shots or short videos that showcase the product in use. They can go a long way in making your product listings more appealing. Alright, now that your store is live and you have your photos, it's time to drive traffic to your site. One of the best ways to do this is through user-generated content or UGC. UGC is content that your customers create, like photos or reviews of your products, and it's incredibly effective because it builds social proof. Encourage your early customers to share their experiences with your products on social media and feature their posts on your store and marketing channels. You can also create your own content on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest. Short, engaging videos of your products in action can easily go viral, attracting tons of new customers. If you want to take things up a notch, consider running Facebook or Google ads. Even with a small budget, targeted ads can significantly increase traffic to your store and boost sales. The more visibility you can generate, the faster you'll reach that $300 a day goal. So by following these steps, you're well on your way to making $300 a day or more. Whether you choose dropshipping, print on demand, or digital products, the key is to take action and start building your online store today. And remember, choosing a .store domain gives you an edge by increasing your visibility and helping you sell more effectively. It's the little things like this that can make a big difference in your success. You've got the tools, and now you've got the knowledge. All that's left is for you to get started. Don't wait, set up your store today and start making money online. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and drop any questions in the comments below.